Alright, y'all. So today we are trying steamed chicken soup dumplings. Yes, 3 is missing already because, you know, your girl is on TikTok. So I had to go on TikTok and put something out on there. But let me do my intro. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Shanique Marie Glow, back with another video. Tuning in. Anywho, that's my favorite word in my videos, just to let y'all know. Like, and it's supposed to be a short, so we're gonna make it short, sweet, and simple. So what I did was I put this chili oil with garlic crunches in there, and I also put the rest of my soy sauce in there. And I might have to open up this packet because we like soy sauce in this house. I put the last little bit on there, so right now, got some more going on here. Ooh, let me not put a lot. That's a lot of salt. Okay, they're hot too, y'all, so bear with me. But how everybody doing today? Like, I just want to say thank you to all my viewers, all my new viewers. Thank you for my subscribers. We going up. I'm trying to stay consistent, so you know your girl had to come back with something else, you know. So we gonna try these dumplings. If y'all don't know, to my brothers, sisters, cousins, uncle, nieces, nephews, Shanique Marie Glow clan, your girl picky, right? I don't eat a lot of stuff. The texture of these is a little weird to me, but they're good. I did rate them a 7 out of 10 on TikTok. So, if y'all want to follow me on TikTok as well, I'll put all my social medias, or I'll put TikTok in the description box below, okay? But anyways, let's go ahead with this video. All right, y'all. Woo! Yeah, they real hot and juicy. My hair probably was down in the bowl, huh? And y'all, don't talk about my hair. Oh, it's shampoo day for me, okay? So I did just throw something on my head. Don't even worry about that. Y'all here to watch me eat. It is good. It is good. Ha! Oh my god, it's hot. How y'all doing on this Sunday? Oh. These ones just don't want to operate right. Like, I'm sorry, y'all, if I'm smacking. Hold on, there's hair in my mouth. They don't want to operate right. How y'all doing on this Sunday? I'm doing good. Just giving y'all some more content, trying to stay consistent. I give it like a day or two in between. I ain't even gonna lie, y'all. That last one finna sit in there. I'm not real big on the texture. Let me see something. Hold up. Is it gonna spill on me? I wanna drink the juice, y'all. The juice looks like it tastes good. Okay, let me just do this. Garlicky and delicious. This the chicken, y'all. I'm so scared to eat that. I like the dough. I'm a dough girl. But Trader Joe's, that was good. That was good, just wasn't, it's not my type of food, you know. Not my type of appetizer. No. But it was good. Not something I could eat every day. Okay, I guess I'll eat this one for y'all. I guess. This remind me of them daggone scallops I ate. I ain't gonna lie. Now I feel like it's getting a little soggy. Hold on. That was plastic. Real life plastic. Why was it plastic in there? It's chewy. And feel alright. Okay, y'all. That was good. That was good. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'll probably give these little chicken pieces to my dog. Just take off this salt, this onion stuff, and soy sauce. But that's a wrap, y'all. That is a wrap, y'all. They was good. 7 out of 10 for me. And Shanique Marie Glow is checking out. Make sure that you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I pray for you all. Wish you all well. Excuse me. And until next time, peace.